Hello! Today I'm gonna show you traditional Ukrainian peach pie. I can describe it with 3 words: fast, easy and extra tasty. Let's cook it together. Today we need flour, sugar, butter, 2 eggs, canned peach and baking powder. First we need add some butter to our sugar and mix it. I do it with my hands, but you can use a machine, it will be faster, but I'm old school. Now we add our flour and baking powder, and also we need to mix it. To our dough we add 2 eggs and again mixing. Lubricate our form with butter. Now add our dough to our form. Smooth it out. The most creative part of our cake is putting peaches to our form. Our pie is ready. Let him cool about 30 minutes. I wanted to take a few great photos of this pie, but after my family had a tea break, what was left? Only small piece. Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.